Now, your first choice for local weather with meteorologist Kaylee Klostermeyer.
Starting off the day with a little rainfall as we check out the E. Orem Young live storm tracker Doppler radar. A few specks here and there on the radar site indicating isolated activity, more widespread activity south of Interstate 20, really right now along that Highway 167 corridor, right now south of Ruston. That's kind of where we've got the heaviest of rainfall going on at this time. We'll start off with a few of these isolated storms. There is Interstate 20 right there, and so you can see into Richland Parish, maybe in and around Rayville. Northward, we're picking up on a few showers and thunderstorms, even as far north as Marouge into northern Chico County, Arkansas. Pretty good thunderstorm there. We've also got some thunderstorm potential activity right now just south of Monticello, Arkansas. This activity kind of tracking toward the north and east a little bit, but this line of storms kind of surging toward the east right toward Highway 167. You can see Winfield there, ahead a little further south, places like Dry Prong. We've also got some heavier thunderstorms as we zoom out. You can kind of see this complex of storms that has developed, trekking generally toward the south and east. So a lot of activity on the radar site. They're all kind of moving in different directions. But either way, we've got rain out there. Drive with caution if you encounter some. We've even started to pick up on what looks like a little downpour off into the distance. I think our Skycam is pointed generally toward the north and east. So again, we're perhaps picking up on a little bit of rain out there, but mostly cloudy skies in most locations. 72 currently with our dew point temperatures into the 60s. Those numbers have gone up, so humidity has gone up just a tad from where we were yesterday. 70 in Ruston, 70 in Bastrop, 72 in Tallulah right now. Some 60s to near 70 degrees in El Dorado right now. So it's definitely feeling pretty warm, pretty muggy out there, and that's what we've got pretty much over the next several mornings. We should just kind of get used to that overall kind of muggy summertime pattern, if you will. Here's a look at our national satellite and radar picture, and really active weather is what we're going to talk about over the next several days. Several disturbances impacting us, bringing us the rain potential very much each day. That unfortunately is what the forecast looks like right now. Another look at this complex of storms, again barreling toward Interstate 20 or Interstate 10 rather, between Lake Charles, also in and around Houston, Texas this morning. This activity actually generated by a little bit of an outflow boundary from some storms yesterday. So a little closer to home, just shows mostly cloudy skies. Again, a few showers here and there for northern zones. This complex of storms will continue to impact parts of the southern half of the viewing area over the next several hours. Today we've got rain chances out there, pretty scattered in nature. We'll probably see our most widespread threat for rain during the morning hours, more hit or miss activity for the afternoon. 70 with an isolated shower or two for tonight. 7-day forecast is pretty active. Probably seeing our best coverage of rainfall heading into the weekend as the frontal boundary will approach from the north. Last look at the E. Orem Young live storm tracker Doppler radar continues to show rain and storms south of the interstate. David.
Thank you, Kaylee.